Hi, I'm Al Lee. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can use your most powerful resource to take control of stress, counteract its poisonous effects to your mind, body, emotions, and health, while at the same time boosting your mental, physical, and creative performance. That resource, as hard as it may be to believe, is your breath. Now, those promises may sound like one of those Ron Coe, now how much would you pay ads, but everything I'm going to show and tell you is based on a mountain of solid science as well as cutting-edge medical research, and these techniques are used by fighter pilots, astronauts, Olympic athletes, elite climbers and divers, and peak performers of all kinds. First, just a bit of background. Science has shown us that the way we breathe directly affects our physical performance and stamina, the way the brain deals with emotions and rational thoughts, creativity, and perhaps most importantly, your immune system and the way stress affects you. To put it simply, short, shallow breathing, which is associated with anger, frustration, grief, fear, and other intense emotions, causes a cascade of negative effects that ripples through your mind, your body, and your emotions. Those effects include high blood pressure, susceptibility to colds, flus, and other threats to your health, emotional reactivity, as well as a laundry list of other stress-related diseases. On the other hand, slower, deeper breathing causes a cascade of positive effects through your mind, your body, and your emotions. In short, that slower, deeper breathing counteracts everything bad that stress does to your mind and your body. So let me show you a quick exercise that you can use anytime, anywhere, in any situation for real-time, effective stress reduction. It's called the 6-second breath. The 6-second breath is essentially just slow, deep breathing, but let me walk you through it. First, it's important to breathe in through your nose. Your nose is specifically designed to filter, condition, and disinfect air before it gets to your lungs. Now, it's also helpful to visualize how you want the breath to move in the body. And we want to visualize it moving down into the body in the shape of a bell, with the bottom flared part of that bell being around the belt line, the abdominal region, where most of us are pretty locked up. So visualize the breath moving all the way down, breathing all the way down to your tailbone or the seat of your chair, expanding back, front, and sides, the bottom of that bell, and then filling all the way up to the top, just like a big glass of water. When you exhale, you want to exhale through your nose or your mouth, either is okay, using just a little bit of abdominal pressure to squeeze the air out from the bottom to the top. It's as simple as that. Let me show you. First, start with an exhale. And inhale all the way down to the seat of your chair, expanding back, front, and sides, and filling all the way up to the top of your shoulders. Pausing for a moment, exhale, squeezing the air out gently from the bottom to the top. And again, exhale, and inhale, expanding back, front, and sides, filling all the way up to the top. Pause, and exhale, squeezing the air gently out from the bottom. Now, normally we breathe 15 to 20 times per minute, more or less depending on what's going on for us emotionally. The science shows now that when you get that breathing rate down to about 10 breaths per minute, or 6 seconds per breath, that's when you realize most of the benefits. The lowered blood pressure, the boosted immune system, the mind shifting away from emotional reactivity towards rational problem solving, and a whole host of other benefits. So the 6-second breath looks like this. Inhaling 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Pause, and exhale 4, 5, and 6. It's as simple as that. Let's try it one time. Start with an exhale, an inhale, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Pause for a moment, and exhale 4, 5, and 6. And again, inhale, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, filling all the way up to the top. Pause for a moment. Exhale 4, 5, and 6, squeezing all the air out gently. It's as simple as that, but if you change your habit of short, shallow breathing, replace it with this slower, deeper breathing, it will cause a ripple effect through your mind, your body, and your emotions. You'll see that it affects your physical performance and stamina. It affects your emotional well-being, and most importantly, your health and the way that stress affects you. Your breath is your secret weapon when you need to deliver your best performance, when your health is challenged, and when you're dealing with difficult emotions. Try scheduling a couple of 5-minute breathe breaks during the day, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Just close your eyes and for a few minutes practice that slow, deep 6-second breath. You can also use this technique anytime throughout your day when you need some real-time stress reduction, in a meeting, in traffic, or before a presentation. Try this for a couple of weeks and you'll be amazed at the difference. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you.